Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I will show you new $400 bonus to start driving for Lyft Canada. Alright, let's begin. From making extra money towards your goals to being your own boss, there are many reasons to start driving with Lyft. Now they are adding 450 more. Complete your application in Lyft to make up to $450 on top of your earnings when you hit your ride targets. You'll instantly get paid an extra $20 the moment you finish your first ride, and it only gets better from there. How it works. Every time you hit a ride target, they will automatically add the bonus to your account. Rides must be completed within 4 weeks of receiving the SMS offer in order to qualify. One ride is equal to $20, 10 rides is equal to plus $80, 20 rides is equal to plus $100, 40 rides is equal to plus $250, total $450. And that's it, you are done.